In the Know News brings you an alarming story that underscores the complexities of U.S. immigration enforcement. A legal resident of New Hampshire, Fabian Schmidt, has been detained by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE after returning from a trip abroad. His family is in distress, struggling to understand why a man with a valid green card, no active legal issues, and a stable life in the U.S. has been subjected to such harsh treatment. Schmidt, an electrical engineer and father to an 8-year-old U.S. citizen, had been visiting Luxembourg and was returning home through Logan International Airport in Boston. His partner had gone to meet him, only to be left waiting for hours without information. When Schmidt's mother, Astrid Sr., finally learned of his whereabouts, she was shocked to hear the details of what had happened to him. According to Sr., Schmidt was subjected to an aggressive interrogation, forcibly stripped, and placed in a cold shower before being made to sit for hours. He was reportedly pressured by immigration officers to give up his green card, left in a brightly lit room with minimal food or water, and denied access to crucial medication for anxiety and depression. His condition deteriorated to the point that he collapsed and had to be hospitalized. Medical staff later determined he was suffering from influenza, further exacerbating his already dire situation. Schmidt was later transferred from a hospital to an ICE detention facility in Rhode Island. His family and legal team are now working tirelessly to secure his release, with assistance from the German consulate. His immigration history shows he and his mother moved to the U.S. in 2007, securing green cards the following year. Having recently moved to New Hampshire, Schmidt was building a life with his partner and daughter when this unexpected ordeal began. The issue at hand raises serious legal and ethical questions about the rights of green card holders when re-entering the U.S. Immigration experts point out that permanent residents have legal protections and the right to appear before an immigration judge before any deportation decision is made. However, U.S. immigration law does allow for green card holders to be placed in removal proceedings under certain circumstances, including criminal convictions. Schmidt's record includes a dismissed misdemeanor marijuana charge from 2015 and a missed court hearing in 2022 related to it, reportedly due to a notice being sent to an outdated address. Additionally, he had a past DUI from nearly a decade ago, for which he completed all legal requirements. While these issues appear minor, some legal experts warn that under current enforcement policies, green card holders with any past criminal history can face deportation proceedings, regardless of how much time has passed or whether they have rehabilitated. A spokesperson for U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, disputed the claims of mistreatment but did not provide further details. The agency stated that individuals with drug-related charges could face immigration action upon re-entry. But experts argue that such cases should still be adjudicated through the legal system rather than resulting in immediate detention. Immigration advocates have voiced concerns over an increasing trend of legal residents facing heightened scrutiny and detainment, even for minor infractions. Legal experts note that while green card holders are granted permanent residency, their status is not invulnerable. Certain criminal convictions, even old or seemingly minor ones, can make a person eligible for deportation under current laws. This case highlights the urgent need for clarity in immigration enforcement, ensuring that permanent residents are not unfairly targeted or denied their legal rights. As Schmidt's family fights for his release, his ordeal serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictability some green card holders face when returning to the country they call home. Stay informed with In the Know News, where we bring you in-depth coverage of the stories that matter. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest developments.